Hello guys, welcome to CS Tech Solution. Today is learning UI/UX design. Today is learn of creating a infinities diagram. As a infinities diagram is a collaboration tool is used to organize the large numbers of ideas, observations, or as a species of data into meaningful groups based on the natural relationship. It commonly use the brainstormings, UX research, product designs, qualities management, and as a project planning. What is a infinities diagram? Infinity diagrams is has the terms as a collect many ideas or as a observation as a identify the patterns and theme and organize the information into categories and as a discover the enhance and as a priorities, and the methods was as a developed by as a Jiro Kawekita and is sometimes is called as a KJ methods, and show the figure of infinities diagrams and first as a root and as another child is a group 1 and group 2 and the group 3, and as all the groups items is separate. Look at this, and then to use it as use the infinities diagrams, then you have as a brainstorming ideas, customer feedback, surveys response, interviews notes, research finding, and user pain points, project requirements, and root case analysis the data. Example is designing the mobile apps and improving the customer experience, planning the project, and solving a business problem. And next topics is a step to create a infinities diagram. As first is define the problems or as a goals. To write a clear questions, example as how can we improve your application, sorry, as an Android application, and why are the customers is leaving over the services. Second is collect the ideas. The write the each the ideas on as a separate strict notes and the physically and or as a digital. Example as a app creates function frequency tallies and the logging in as a slow and the navigation is confusing and too many aids and users went dark mode, etc. Third is group seminars ideas as a without overthinking, place related notes together. So example as a performance, as app crashing frequently and logging is slow, and the user interface as the navigations is confusing and the buttons are too slow, and the features like the user went to the dark mode, user went on notifications, and etc. Fourth is a create a categories names as a give the each the groups is a meaningful title, and example as a performance issues and the users experience new features. And fifth is analyze the pattern as ask the question such as which categories is appear the most often, and which issues has highest impact, and which improvements should be as a prioritized. And advantages as easy to understand, encourage terms collaborations, relevance as hidden patterns, organize the large amounts of the information, and help the priorities works. And the limitation is can be as a subjective, and time consuming with a very large data set, and different peoples may groups items is differently, and the required the terms is disk confusion to as a finalize the categories, and the typical to workflows is collect the ideas and write the notes, group seminars items to find and new names of the groups, identify insights and the priorities actions to take on the time. Thank you to watch the videos. Please subscribe the channel, on the notification and bell icon.